Instagram, Facebook. I was just looking today at yahoo.com and it says, even dollar stores are hurting as consumers get cautious. You guys realize, go back and read the video I have on the Oreo cookie inflation. 2021, you can buy a little snack size of Oreo cookies for 99 cents. So if you have $20, I could have bought 20 of those. Now, I went and bought one yesterday, $1.79. So that's the price inflation is 80 cents. Percentage inflation increase is 80%. But the government underreports inflation by 6%. Inflation is really 10 to 12 times higher than what you're being told. That's why people don't have any money now, man. They used to hoard toilet paper. Now they're still in toilet paper. Are you still in toilet paper? Go back, watch my video, learn how to turn debt into cash you'll have to pay back. So maybe you can shop at Aldi's instead of 99-cent store.